Today, I'll show you how to become a premier host on VRBO, a sought-after status that can significantly boost your property's visibility and appeal to potential guests. Achieving this status is a fantastic way to elevate your hosting game, making your listing stand out in a competitive market. So let's dive into the steps to get you recognized as a premier host. First, you'll want to navigate to your owner account. Once you're logged in, look for the Performance tab. This is where you'll find insights and tools to help you manage and enhance your property's performance. Click on it, and a drop down menu will appear. From this menu, select Premier Host. This section is specifically designed to guide you through the requirements and benefits of becoming a Premier Host. Now, you might be wondering, what exactly does the Premier Host status do for you? Well, one of the main perks is the coveted Premier Host badge. This badge will be visible on your listing, instantly building trust with potential guests. When travelers see this badge, they recognize that you have a proven track record of providing excellent service and accommodations. It's like having a seal of approval that can set you apart from other listings. Another significant advantage of being a premier host is the search boost. With this status, your listing receives an automatic lift in search results. This means your property can appear higher up when travelers are searching for accommodations, helping you fill any gaps in your calendar much faster. It's an invaluable tool for maximizing your property's occupancy and ensuring that you're reaching as many potential guests as possible. In addition to this, you gain priority support. This provides you with 24/7 expedited access to phone support, which is incredibly useful if you encounter any technical issues, especially during peak times or lab hours. Having this level of support can make all the difference in resolving problems quickly, allowing you to maintain a seamless experience for your guests. Lastly, your listing will benefit from the Premier Host filter. This feature ensures that when travelers check the Premier Host filter box during their search, your property will appear. It's a fantastic way to be included in more refined searches, targeting guests who are specifically looking for top-rated hosts. Becoming a premier host on VRBO not only enhances your property's presence, but also offers peace of mind and reassurance to travelers. It's about showcasing your commitment to providing outstanding hospitality and ensuring a memorable stay for your guests. So there you have it, a straightforward guide to becoming a premier host on VRBO. By following these steps and understanding the benefits, you're well on your way to boosting your property's visibility and appealing to a broader audience. Thanks for watching and happy hosting.